Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to kick off a brand new series where I'll be providing you with UDP custom premium servers every week. These servers are specially designed to keep you secure, anonymous, and ensure you have a fast internet connection. So, let's dive right into today's video. Before we get into setting up your UDP custom servers, it's essential to understand how to use them with the HTTP Custom VPN app. If you're new to this, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. First, you'll need the HTTP Custom VPN app. Open the Google Play Store on your device and search for HTTP Custom. Once you find the app in the search results, tap on it and proceed to download. Depending on your internet speed, the download might take a few moments. After the HTTP Custom VPN app is installed, go ahead and open it. You'll land on the app's home screen, where you'll see various options and settings. To use UDP custom servers, you need to activate the UDP mode in the app. Look for the UDP checkbox on the home screen and tick it to enable UDP functionality. Now you need a server to input in the designated field. This will allow you to start using fast UDP for a secure and fast internet connection. Finding reliable and fast UDP servers online can be challenging because most available options are either slow or offline. To solve this problem, I've created fast UDP servers specifically for our community. You can find the link to these premium servers in the description below for your convenience. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to check back weekly for updates on new server files. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.